What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital. We're here with David Kerbel, CEO of Rritual Superfoods. How are you doing today, David?
I'm terrific. How are you?
Great, nice to have you on the channel. So, can you start by giving us an introduction to Rritual Superfoods and what the company is all about?
Sure. Rritual Superfoods is a premium, certified organic, plant-based, functional mushroom and adaptogen company. That's our start. Rritual, we've trademarked this. Rritual is the greatest champion of mental fitness. We're all about natural superfoods and meeting consumer demand.
Awesome. So, Rritual just announced a partnership with Crossmark to optimize their retail growth with over 40,000 points of distribution. So this is big news for you guys. Can you tell us more along with your prior ties to Crossmark? Because I know you guys have some history there.
We do. So I'll share this. Crossmark is one of the 3 largest sales enablers in the world. They're an agency that represents 7 or 8 of the top 50 brands in the entire world. So we're excited that we chose each other for this partnership to help us grow. Our objective with Crossmark and their 25,000 sales folks and their analytical capabilities is to get our product within an arm's length of consumer desire. With Crossmark, it's that accelerant. It takes our team to that next level to enable us to deliver on our platform, on our timing. My background, I had 12 years with Crossmark, and I started a division. I was division president for them in the Northeast United States. And we had a bunch of fun. A lot of the key executives that were there when I started 20 years ago with Crossmark are still there today and in leadership roles. And we're going to lean into those folks to help us get to where we want to be.
Awesome. So Rritual recently announced a major retail agreement with Rite Aid. Will Crossmark be servicing this account?
Yes, they will. And again, what they do is provide us with the analytics to really identify where the opportunities are, what's going right, how do we leverage that to even more sales per store per week. And they have a team of executives and a team of merchandisers that'll help us, again, get to that level of confidence, really deliver for our consumers and our customer.
Very exciting time for you guys. So right now, Rritual has 3 awesome product offerings. I've had the pleasure of trying them myself. So thank you, by the way. They're very good. And with more to come, can you tell us about your expansion plans down the road and what else Rritual will be bringing to the market?
Sure. And what's really important here is that Rritual is a superfoods platform. We're really designed for innovation and growth. All that said, we've got new items that meet and exceed consumer demands. Our Chief Innovation Officer, Stacy Gillespie, has her ear to the ground and really has got a 25-year history of getting to what consumers are looking for. So with all that said, we're looking for functional beverages in our innovation pipeline, which is exciting, a collagen blocker, a vegan collagen booster that really gives ourselves a differentiating point, mood and energy powders, and then vegan creamers. And those are just some of them. We're right now looking for the next 6 and 18 and 24 months out to really be that platform within superfoods and create a dominant brand.
It's a very exciting industry. So Rritual Superfoods seems to have a highly experienced management team, including yourself, and many years of consumer packaged goods experience and expertise. Can you tell us more about yourself and the team and why having a solid team is so important in this industry specifically?
Sure. It's a fascinating question, and we wouldn't have it any other way. What we decided to do from the get-go is get folks that have extensive CPG, consumer packaged goods experience. We have a team with well over 100 years experience in our senior group here that really understands how to get products to market, how to meet that consumer demand. If we really begin with the end in mind, we want to be within an arm's length of consumer desire. You really have to have a team that understands what retailers are looking for, what e-com platforms are looking for, and how to get the product from an idea to a finished product to within that arm's length the consumer desire. So what we did, we have Warren Spence, who's our COO. He's got 30 years experience in the CPG world. We've got Stacy Gillespie, our Chief Innovation Officer, Peter Pilarchio, our Chief Marketing Officer. Our sales team, and we'll get to this, I'm sure, but our sales team, I've got 15 years experience with our VP of Sales in the US, Sarton Fenton. And we've got Scott in Canada that's got 15 years experience in the CPG business. So we're able to answer the questions that the retailers are asking really before they ask it, and prepare ourselves and expedite, again, bringing our product, bringing our platform in plant-based, organic superfoods to the marketplace without any interruption. As far as myself, I've got 35 years experience in the CPG world. This is my life's mission. This is what I've done. I'm so excited to be here and be part of this group here, and really to take this brand and these items to the next level, to really become that global player in the superfoods arena.
Love it. So what's the one thing you're most excited about for Rritual Superfoods in the next 6 to 12 months?
Yeah, and it's an easy question, and it's a great one. And the thing I'm most excited about, the thing that I think our entire community is excited about, is we're just getting started. And that's the thing. We're getting started here. We're just bringing our products out. We've got such a rocket ride in front of us. So I'm going to enjoy contributing every day, but really being part of that rocket ship ride of growth that Rritual Superfoods is going on.
I'm excited to cover it. So it's quite impressive how much the functional food industry has grown just this year alone. Can you talk to us a bit more about the market and where you see it heading?
Yeah, it's again that these items in functional foods, $275 billion global footprint. I mean, that's just mind-boggling. And we're looking within just our first entry into the marketplace with our plant-based elixirs. The functional mushroom business is looking to increase by from 24 to 34 billion in the next 3 years. So we're right at the right time with a premium brand that can really drive innovation and become that market leader. So I think that as we grow here, as the industry grows, we're just at the infancy of this mega platform of functional foods.
I totally agree. So you were part of the NASDAQ IPO of Celsius Beverages and helped grow their retail sales considerably. They are currently a multi-billion-dollar company. Do you see any similarities with where Rritual is right now in the early days, and then compared to the early days of Celsius Beverages?
Well, one similarity is our VP of Sales and I work together, both of us at Celsius. That's something that you just can't replace. We know each other. We understand what it takes to do business. The similarity is this: we have a differentiated product than what's out there today. That's what Celsius did in the market of energy drinks. What we've done with Rritual Superfoods is taken that differentiation, and again, that blend of functional mushrooms and adaptogens, and we've really, in some ways, are better prepared to grow than even we were at Celsius. And it's real simple. There's just a bigger differentiation point, and consumers are demanding that innovation and differentiation.
Awesome, David. Well, I appreciate the updates, and I look forward to having you back, and it's going to be exciting covering your story.
Thank you so much.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, guys, that wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to say, if you do support me, the channel, and all these videos, then kindly smash that like button along with hitting the subscribe button and the bell for notifications for future videos. I did also want to say, check the disclaimer down below. This video was sponsored by the company that we are talking about today. So check the disclaimer, full disclosure, and we're out of here. Always remember, guys, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you make your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.